Hello PBMA community, this is Alexis Olson for the Wavemakers, bringing you closer to the action and stories happening within our school community. Let's dive into our quick reminders and updates for this week of January 19th through the 23rd, 2026.
Hey Sharks, my name is Marissa.
And I'm Malia, and here's some quick Shark updates.
Don't miss your chance to capture the memories. The 2025 yearbook is on sale and is extended until February 28th. Grab yours for just $34. Secondary campus students go to yearbookordercenter.com and remember to use the code 26591 when ordering. Secure your copy before the prices go up.
Sharks, remember, all cell phones and electronic devices must be placed in your yonder pouches during the first period and kept there throughout the day. This helps avoid class disruptions and keeps everyone focused on learning. Let's stay present, stay focused, and keep our classrooms distraction-free.
A quick reminder about the 10-10 rule. No passes during the first or last 10 minutes of class. Let's stay focused and make every minute of learning count.
Sharks, don't forget to subscribe to PBMA's official YouTube channel where you can see all Wavemakers episodes. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
That's it for this week's Quick Shark Updates.
Back to you, Alexis.
This week's topic is rhetorical devices. We'll explore imagery, repetition, and rhetorical questions. Let's tune in and sharpen our critical thinking. Here's Sophia and Kenzie for Brainwave.
Welcome back to Brainwave, where we break down big ideas to help you think smarter and speak stronger.
This week's topic is rhetorical devices, tools writers and speakers use to persuade, emphasize ideas, and make their message unforgettable.
One common rhetorical device is repetition. This is when a word or phrase is repeated to make a point stronger. For example, we will learn, we will grow, we will succeed. Repetition helps the message stick in your mind.
Another powerful device is a rhetorical question, a question asked to make you think, not to be answered. Like, do you really want to give up now? It grabs attention and pulls the audience to reflect.
We also have imagery, which uses descriptive language to help readers picture a scene or feeling. Imagery makes writing more vivid and emotional, helping the audience connect to the message. Rhetorical devices help writers and speakers communicate clearly, creatively, and persuasively.
So next time you read a speech or write an essay, look for these tools and try to use them for yourself.
This has been Brainwave, where your thinking gets stronger every day.
Stay sharp and keep making waves of success with Brainwave. Now it's time for our Shark Sports Update.
The PBMA boys basketball team opened its season with a hard-fought victory 28-25 over Somerset Wellington on Tuesday. Setting a strong tone for the year ahead, in a tightly contested matchup, the Sharks rely on disciplined defense and timely scoring to secure the win. Calvin Claverant led all scorers with 18 points, providing a spark on both ends of the floor. Sean Demetrio added 8 points, contributing key baskets that helped PBMA maintain its narrow lead down the stretch. With the season opener in the books, the Sharks now turn their attention to the home opener. PBMA will host Imagine Chancellor on Thursday at 4:15 p.m. at Salvation Army Gym in Lake Worth. The team looks to build momentum as they continue their early season push. Let's go Sharks.
Stay tuned for our highlights, game scores, and upcoming matches as our athletes continue to show teamwork, dedication, and Shark pride. Now it's time to check out what the skies have in store. Here's Alberta Medina with this week's Weather Watch, bringing you the latest updates so you're ready for anything, rain or shine. And now for our quote of the week. Education's purpose is to replace an empty mind with an open one. That's it for this week's Wave Makers. Sharks, always remember to reflect our shark mentality by being safe, respectful, and responsible. Again, this is Alexis Olson for the Wave Makers.